Good day. I am Sean Angelo Manepadrina from MK Tuto or Marketing Tuto. For today, I'm talking about, or we're going to talk about the implications of a moral person. So first, introducing what is a moral person. A moral person refers talking about means to be a moral person or living in a morality way, respecting like being a truth to oneself and to the others. In explaining it is someone who knows the right or wrong and tries to do the right thing, like being honest, fair, kind, and confidence in doing good things to the others and towards the self. So what it means really, okay? What really means being a moral person is just a general explanation of being kind, being good to others. It is just a bonus to show. But being a moral person is honoring God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your spirit, with all your strength, as also doing to your family, to your mothers and fathers. That is also being a moral person. And next is being a moral person is doing kind to others, being respectful to the others, especially to your family, to your mother and father, being caring to others, choosing others before self, or being unselfishness rather than being a selfish one person. That is what it means to be a moral person. So my thoughts in being a moral person, or examples being a moral person is, no, choosing what's right or for the benefit of others. Example, all this. Example, someone is walking through the, what do you call it, so, towards the pedestrian lane. And example, I am a motorcycle rider. And then the red light stops, and to assist, and I will offer the assistance towards the, example, an old lady that's limping and has a crane or a cane. I think, sorry, it's a cane. That is example of a moral person choosing to help others rather than choosing to chill, because waiting for the green light, waiting for green light to appear rather than helping. No, it's a moral example is helping others, like crossing the pedestrian lane and help that she passed by the pedestrian lane safely. That's it, and that's my kind of example. And I have a question to myself, that why is being honest or kindness important? It's just bonus that helping for me. It's just a bonus helping others. But for the record, being kind to others in honest is also helping other people's day. Like, not all of us having a great day, not all of us having a bad day. For example, you encounter a person that having a good day, and you didn't show a respect, his or her day might be in trouble because of what you show energy, what kind of energy that you show. Is it positive or negative? That will impact a person's day, or the rest of the week or hours in the day. And example is being good, okay? Being showing kindness and respect to others towards the person that's having a good day. The consistency of having a good day of a person is will be extended throughout the next day, or throughout the day, because you show what the good person or a moral or respect that you need to show. And lastly, if you encounter a person having a bad day and you are showing respect, moral, and kindness, and you showed it to him or her, that will help the person to heal a painful experiencing throughout the day that he she is experiencing. And next is, lastly, I mean, why or how does treating people with respect make a difference in daily life? That's what I said. Respecting everyone, can help them to respect also everyone, because on how the people I met is respecting me, so I will do this to the others also, and not being a bad person, treating another good person in a bad way. That will have a domino effect, like I treated this person a bad thing, and the person that I treated that will do to the other person, and then so on and so forth. That's why. And then for the implications, excuse me, people for the implications, people trust and respect you more. That's the real thing, because you're always showing good things to them. You show them your attitude, your respect, your kindness, and your confidence in doing good. And you excuse me, you inspire others to act the same way, on the same way that you portray them, the respect and the morality way of living. That when you show them inspiration to the other people, and more people they are going to reach, and then so on and so forth, it's a good domino effect, not a bad domino effect of showing badness or darkness of what daily life person always do. And also, and lastly, it makes society more peaceful and fair, because one person moves and second person moves, is a domino effect. Showing good deeds to them, domino effect, until reach to the capacity of more people. That is why. So, to conclude my statements, not just statements, my video recording and my my research, not just research, my ideas about the implications of moral person is being a moral person. Okay, this is my last statement. Being a moral person helps make the world a better place. Let's choose to be confident, doing good, kind, respectful, showing trust to others, pushing them towards their goal, or pulling them up towards their goal. Helps and respects people every day. Even if you don't know the person you are dealing with or meeting or crossing paths in everyday life, always remember, respecting everyone helps to respect everyone also. Not just by knowing people, you're just going to respect them, but in layman's terms explanation, respecting the person you knew, and respecting the other people you didn't know, helps everyone to grow in respect and a good way to live in a peaceful life and fair. That's it. That's my video recording. Thank you so much. I am Shana Jolomon F. Ferdinand from MK22. Thank you.